How to unmute someone's status on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp on your device. At the bottom, click on Updates. In here, at the top, you'll find Muted option. Click on Muted. Here, you'll find all the accounts you have muted. Now, to unmute, hold on to the profile you want to unmute, status off. Then press on unmute in here. After you press on unmute, they will be unmuted. And if you go back, you will be able to see their status normally. And this is how to unmute someone's status on WhatsApp. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.